Do you want advanced charting, Elliott Wave, order flow, and automation all in one platform? MotiveWave packs serious power, but is it worth the learning curve and cost? It's a desktop trading platform available on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and MotiveWave supports futures, forex, stocks, crypto, and offers everything from technical charting to automated strategy deployment. It's got Elliott Wave and harmonic tools, automatic wave plotting and harmonic shape detection, rare in trading software. Order flow and backtesting are also present. It's full-fledged order flow charts, DOM trading, scanners, strategy backtester, and walk-forward analysis. It's got 300 plus studies and drawings, trend lines, Fibonacci, Gann, point and figure, hybrid bars, and multi-timeframe layouts. It's highly customizable, very feature-rich, responsive customer support, and that's so important in these trading platforms. A native Mac OS support and broker data neutral connectivity, IB, CQG, Rhythmic, TradeStation, etc. The interface can feel dated. There are occasional bugs and sluggish performance on high data loads, and higher tiers are pricey. Order flow plan starts at $49 a month, Pro at $99, and Ultimate at $159. So if you're deep into technical analysis, you want Elliott Wave's custom automation and robust order flow tools, you just have to not mind complexity and cost. MotiveWave delivers pro-level features. But for simplicity or a clean UI, platforms like Sierra Chart or Quant Tower might serve you better. Are you using it? Are you thinking about it? Share your experience. Do you want to head-to-head with Sierra or Bookmap? Also let me know. I'll catch you in the next one.